as we rise in the society, maybe due to various reasons, maybe education, maybe positions, we have to be humble enough. Pride has no place in our life. Saint Paul, in the first reading, reminds the Colossians, you have been raised with Christ. And then he says, now, there is no difference between Greek and Jew, circumcised and uncircumcised, slave and free man. But Christ is all and in all. So what unites us is not our place of birth, not our families, not our skin color, not our education, none of these factors. What unites all of us, the Christians, is that we are followers of Jesus. That should be our identity. That should be our hallmark. All of us are one, no division. Unfortunately, we know this is not there. That is the saddest part. If we follow this literally, the whole world will become Christian. Because looking at us, they must say, look at these people. How they live and unity, how cheerful they are. And that's what the early Christians did. Looking at the early Christians, many more joined. And the Acts of the Apostles says, their number increased day by day. Why our number is not increasing? Because we are not united as a Christian community. What is the meaning of Catholic? I've said earlier, Catholic means universal, open-minded. All are welcomed. We don't belong to exclusive club. We belong to inclusive club. As Pope Francis said, the church is a place for sinners. Saints can go elsewhere. But sinners,